guys, I'm Patty and this is Little Red Southern Kitchen. And today we're going to be making air fryer sausage balls. But I'm making it with wild boar. So the first thing you're going to need to do is you want to preheat your air fryer to 325. And you want about 15 minutes. Alright, now you want to come over here in your food processor. And I've got a pound of wild boar. Ugh. Sorry. And you want to add to this about 4 cups of shredded cheese. If you can get the bag open. Now my hands are greasy. Oh, come on. There we go. I've been lazy, guys. I have been buying free shredded cheese. It is so much easier. Alright, and now you just want to put this together. And it dances all over the place. Yeah, perfect. Let me get this off. That's sharp. Don't put your hand on that. Now, I'm not going to put that top cord cutter on. Of course, I'm going to mess everything up. There it is. I'm going to add 1.5 cups of Bisquick. You know what? I'm going to do this all at once. Because at this point, you're just going to pulse it together. Just till it's combined. I've never made sausage balls like this. And also you can do this with regular sausage. So you just want to pulse it till it's combined. And you know what? I'm an idiot because guess what? I never put the cheese in. Do your sausage and cheese first. Oh my goodness. Yep, I had a brain problem at that point. It was a senior moment. Leave me be. I don't have a large processor, and obviously this is messed up, but I think it's going to work. I'm going to combine it a little bit more. That sounds horrible, doesn't it? Well, I'm messy. Alright, this is still going to work regardless. Alright. forgot to spray it. But let's make some balls. Oh yeah, that's gonna be fine. I don't know if you can see me or not. Oh God. Oh well. It's gonna take a couple. To do. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna fill these up, this first one. And like I said, they're gonna cook about 15 minutes. That's gonna take a couple of times. 15 minutes each, and then we'll bring you back when everything's done. Thank you. Alright guys, everything I told you earlier, except for the part where you mix it and everything, but don't forget to put your cheese in like I did, needs to be changed. What you want to do is keep it at 325, preheat it for 10 minutes. Whenever they're done, make them into balls, and then cook them for the 10 minutes. Then turn them over and cook them another 10 minutes. These are very crunchy. They just weren't done in the middle enough. But these are done, and I've still got a bunch left, but this is part of another meal, So this is more than enough for me and Tony. So these are our air fryer wild boar sausage balls. I thank y'all for joining me today. If you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have you in the family. And don't forget to leave me a comment. Let me know if you've ever done the sausage balls in the air fryer. Also, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Share it on your social media. Alright guys, thank you for joining me. Sausage balls are ready. See you later.